In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you how you'll be able to earn money directly to your Binance account just by using a phone or a PC and using WhatsApp as a medal of the gameplay. And this is licensed. Okay, they have a license to operate. So this is the official license since May 2020, and this new project, this new betting site is called BTC28. Okay, so this is BTC28. It is on WhatsApp. And if you like this content, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this, guys. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so they just really have a simple mechanics here. Okay, so first of all, you just go into your Binance account and look for a 5-minute chart. After you've done that, guys, you're pretty much good to go. So there is actually a guidelines that is being shown here, but this is what we know right now on BTC28. So you see that there are a lot of candles that is being put here, okay? And the only thing that you need to take note here is just this opening opening price. So you will be able to find it besides the time. So this is where the magic happens. Let's open Notepad right now. So this is like the different types of bets that you can publish in WhatsApp, and what you just need to do is just predict what will actually happen in the next 5 hours. Okay, so how you will be able to predict it? You will be able to see, you see this 61,732.49. Now what you're going to do here is you add those 3 numbers, like this numbers over here, so 2, 4, and 9. Just add those 3 and you will be getting 15. And if you're going to go back here, so this is what do you call that? This is the official site. Let me just show it to you real quick, guys. So this is the official site of UK Genting BTC28. And as you can see here, 15 is actually stands for big and odd and random. So how you'll be able to differentiate, how you'll be able to know if it is a big or odd, right? So it is automatically odd if it falls into 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Typically all odd numbers. Now it is even if it is all even number. Now it becomes big odd if it exceeded 15. Okay, it starts from 15, 17, 27, and it could be small odd if it started from 1 to 13. Okay, so as you can see at this portion over here, it is a big, odd, random. Now if you're going to choose for an odd, it is still counted as a win here, okay, because it is an odd number, right? So typically when you already done that, or you already won, you probably guess it right, you'll be able to win. I think it was double of your money. But of course, the higher is it, the higher or the more difficult that you are trying to bet and also to guess, the higher profits will it be, because this kind of what do you call that? This kind of bets are just once in a blue moon to happen. Okay, so for you to be able to deposit on BTC28, you're just going to type in here deposit 100 or deposit 200. It actually doesn't matter, because here this is the most important part. Okay, here you can start for as low as $100. So as long as you have $100, you already send it to them, you can now play it, and the minimum betting amount that you can have is 5 USDT. Okay, so this is everything that you should be noticing it inside this what do you call that, inside BTC28. And not only that, guys, okay, you'll be able to withdraw it just by typing withdraw / amount of money that you want to withdraw from BTC28. And after you've done that, guys, okay, you're just going to type in your wallet address, whether you're using Binance, whether you're using KuCoin or any other exchanges, and you'll be able to get it soon into your account as well. Just take in note that they are operating on UK time, okay? I think it was around GMT +1. So make sure that you're actually going to join when it is open, okay? So here in Philippines, it is closed at the at the morning time, and it actually starts at the what do you call that, at the evening. So this is just very easy. You do not need to have a fast internet connection. You don't even need to have some skills in terms of trading, because you're just going to bet on which do you think that will actually go up or go down, and after that you'll be able to receive rewards after that. So you see here that there's a lot of online people over here that are more than 100,000 USDT being played every single what do you call it, every single time inside this platform. And you can see that $100 is just a really small amount, but I mean, if you're just going to try to start, well, I think this is a really good choice for you guys. Okay, so again, this is BTC28. This is also the Telegram channel of BTC28. So let me just open it to you. I'm also going to put this into the description box below, so that you will be able to be updated inside this inside this platform. So this is the channel. So just click the join, and as you can see here, they have a license to operate. This is what I've already shown to you a while ago. So in terms of like the legality, I think they've already did their good job on this. And they also have a sign here by Gambling Supervision Commission dated at May 10, 2020. So assuming that they actually start at May, so January, February, March, April, May, they are now at more than 1 month, 1 year and 6 months operating on BTC28. So this is everything that we know about BTC28, guys. Again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this, and see you on the next video.